Hey guys, it's Sherry with Staged Above. So I have several Transfer the Look specials for you guys coming up the first 2 weeks of November. Call our office at 240-513-6095. A Transfer the Look special. We do these when our houses are selling so quickly that we start to get too many D stages all at once, and our warehouse and our inventory in our warehouse starts to become, I don't know, like a bursting sausage casing. I couldn't think of anything else. So anyway, we are offering $400 off for Transfer the Look specials first 2 weeks in November. So give our office a call if you are interested or have a property that might work for one of our transfers. Let us know. Thanks.